Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Quant, we are trading at $157.72. 24-hour volume, we are up 59%, and market cap, we are down 1.62%. Heading over to our daily chart, I am going to go into immediate short term for 4 hours and then take a sneak peek into 2 hours as well. But taking a look on our daily chart here, of course, we knew that Quant was going to come down, and we essentially have a parallel channel here coming down to an area of support, resistance, and our next course of action here is coming down to another area of support, but it is a little bit of a area of confluence, an area of interest, because it's retracing to 78% of our fib, which we know is a golden number for our fib retracements at 149 and 42 cents. But not only that, it is at an area too that has a good area of support backed up from October 9th, 10th, 11th, and then just a little smidge here on October 12th. So this is going to be a critical area here to see if we're able to hold this parallel channel, but most importantly, be able to hold this area of support. Now, another thing too that we can see is our volume profile, and just kind of bear with me as I move out because we are using the visible range for our volume profile, and we can see that we've got a really good area of supply and demand from 188 all the way down to 155. The price right now, again, is just a smidge higher than the 155, so it is going to be very crucial to stay in this area of supply. If not, then the price is going to retrace back to another higher volume, which is down to 147 all the way down to this node here at 133. So we have very high confluence in the daily chart for Quant in order to hold on to this area of confluence or this high area of interest here. We could see on the MACD indicator again and cross our fingers that we do switch from the red over to the green to help the momentum build up at a critical area of support. And of course, with the RSI for Quant here, we've got 46% for our K line and then our D line at 50%. If we can be able to see an area where we were able to hold on to support from this percentage, we can only really see two areas here on September 6th and then another area back here on February 21st. So it's really not a known area of support around the number that we have right now. We could see here on November 3rd, we were able to hold on to the area of support, but it's really not highly backed up. If we're taking a look at the history here for Quant. But let's head over to the 4-hour time frame. So this is a little bit interesting for the 4-hour time frame. So one, already we can see the MACD indicator showing us momentum loss on the bear side, and essentially hoping again that we do see that critical point where it crosses over and giving us that buying opportunity in the momentum. We do see a crossover of our RSI here, essentially giving us that buying opportunity. But we do see the highest that we had so far for our RSI is roughly around the 50% marker, so which isn't that high. If we're taking a look at Quant, we have reached high as 59 and then retraced down, but in the last couple of hours here, or back to November 5th, we've only seen it at the 50%. I am going to switch just quickly over to Kanashi to see if there is any trend reversals. So I mean, this does look pretty good so far, again with this downtrend that we've seen in Kanashi candles with the shaven tops at the very bottom. Normally, whenever we're able to predict a reversal for Kanashi, we normally see some green candles in the mix there with high wicks at the very top and at the very bottom. And this does actually play a really good factor here that so far the 4-hour time frame of this Kanashi candle has no wick at the very bottom. So we are almost going to be anticipating a breakout of a bull run and a nice pullback for Quant. The only thing when we take a look at our candles is going to be this resistance level here at 50% at $160. We can see this area was a tested area of support, but most importantly, a tested area here for resistance. So we are going to be testing that in the next couple of hours, depending on how strong that momentum switches. And if we go into a 2-hour time frame, we're going to switch it to, again, Kanashi candles. Already we're getting some green candles at a downtrend. We've already initiated that buying opportunity on our RSI. And we see the MACD indicator getting lighter in color. So we've got 1, 2, 3 candlestick, no wick at the very bottom. Wait until it does close, and then we should get confirmation if we are going to continue to come up. But again, this may be a resistance line that we are going to test and see if we can be able to beat. We're just going to cross our fingers to see if the momentum itself is building and rallying up on our MACD indicator to finally break through that. And if you see here, it is actually close to our 20 MA, and that's going to be a retest here to see if there is going to be a trend reversal for quant. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you next time. Bye.